Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel and welcome to those of you who are new. Today I'm going to bring you a laundry room reorganization, decluttering, things that I don't need. I have a fairly, excuse the squeaking, fairly large laundry room here. We have a place to hang our coats. This down here is a total hot mess. I need to put things in order, kind of where they go with cleaning supplies, and over here is more of the laundry detergent stuff, but I have some laundry detergent on the floor. I need to find new homes for some stuff, so I am going to take everything out and then I'm going to sweep and probably dust off the tops of the washer and dryer. Then I'm going to sweep and vacuum the floors and probably take a quick Swiffer over it and get that cleaned up, and then try and reorganize the stuff up here, see what I don't need, see if I can toss anything out or if I could donate anything. Some of the stuff we do need and we'll keep, but there's always stuff in here. We have our bags, we try to recycle those. Target and Walmart here in North Dakota have a recycle thing for the plastic bags, so we take them there. I'm not sure what they do with them after that, but we do try to recycle them. With the Rona going around, those bags, we had a ton piling up. We have bags, reusable bags that we use, and that I'm going to turn you around and show you some stuff in here. Down here are some of my reusable bags for the grocery store and whatnot. A couple of these are Target bags, but down here we also have some like gift bags from when we got married, and the gifts from family and friends came in, and they came in these fun little gift bags, so we have those down here still. I don't know if I am gonna keep those necessarily. They're really good and they'd be great for gifts again, but I just never have used them, so I'll have to go through and see what I'm gonna do with them. I might donate them and maybe they could be used at the thrift store to sell for a gift bag or something. Our coats I don't have to do anything with. Those are fairly organized and they all fit us, so I don't have to do anything with those. Up here is mostly car stuff and some tool stuff, but then I still have some tool stuff over here, so I'm gonna try and get everything all on one shelf. Yeah, so I'm going to try and reorganize this. I have socks that I need to put in my laundry basket. These masks have been sitting up here to get washed forever, so I'm gonna take these and throw these in the laundry basket so that way they do get washed. This I use for my undergarments to put in the washer and dryer, so that could probably go in my laundry basket as well. And then I'm gonna try and see if I can find space up here to put my laundry softener next to my laundry detergent. That way they're up on the shelf and not sitting here all the time. When I have to pick up a large bottle like this, no, this one's not that big. That one's a normal size, but this guy here is a larger bottle of the Lysol sanitizer, laundry sanitizer, so that one's a heavier one. I would probably keep that down here, and I'll probably just keep this one down here too, but we'll see. I'm gonna try and organize everything, and yeah, I'll show you guys what I do as I go. And I also forgot to tell you guys, I have some containers that I got at Target. They're the Target brand. They latch on the top. I'm thinking I will probably end up putting my Swiffer, the pads, and I have the solution up there too. They'll probably go in here. That way I can just pull it down, like the whole thing down, to get something out if I need to. Maybe I'll put my Clorox wipes in one of these, so that way they're all kind of contained in the same thing. But yeah, so I got 2 of these, and I figured it would just help in organization. And if we ever move, it'll all just be in like a little bin and easy to take care of, and I won't have to pack it into cardboard boxes. So yeah, there's that. So I figured I would just show you those, and I am going to open the door, let some light in here, and get started.
I saw you from across the room. When our eyes met, I never knew that I could feel this way, and it's kinda strange. Don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just
try and fit my Swiffer stuff inside, and then I'll see what else I can fit in the other one. I'm putting the liquid in here, as well as I'm gonna take the wet jet pads out and just stack them up in there, and then take the box and recycle them.
I know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah. I always knew that this would happen, yeah. You would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah. It's almost like I can't stop, yeah. Can't stop. About you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. I can't stop. Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah. I always knew that this would happen. Yeah. You would find a new distraction. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Can we let go of tomorrow? Yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah. It's almost like I can't stop. Yeah. Can't stop. No. Think about you a lot.
So this is my clean laundry room. It doesn't look as clean back here, but I have all of our car stuff down here, winter stuff, and then I have my extra laundry detergent, and then I was able to stand our rocking chair parts up, right? And then our brooms and Swiffer and everything is in there hiding away. Very happy with the way our laundry room looks now. If we leave this door open, I don't feel like this looks as cluttered. It looks like there's some kind of organization. I feel like when there's organization in my house, I feel like I'm a little less scattered and all over the place. So it feels good to have this organized. I've been wanting to do this for a very long time, and I am so happy with the way it turned out. I have all of my laundry stuff right here, my washing machine cleaning stuff right here. Borax. This one is laundry washing soda stuff that's from Arm & Hammer. And this is Tide. These three go together to strip the clothes of all the yuckiness that doesn't get taken out during the normal wash. It's crazy to see how much yuck comes out when that is used. I got the recipe for this from Go Clean Co on Instagram. I will link their Instagram down below, so you can go look for the stripping recipe on there. They have so many amazing cleaning ideas and stuff. So there are those. I was gonna put these behind. The lights are behind there, but they're still reachable. In here I fit my Swiffer bottles, the refill bottles, the refill pads, because we buy our stuff at Costco. We have so many extras. And then I have one of my Clorox over here. I was able to fit my other disinfectant wipes and Clorox wipes in here, and our spray bottle that I don't even remember what we used it for, so I'll just leave it in there. My husband, I think, wanted it at one point, so we have that. And then this one is almost done. There's like none in it. I think it's like down. Oh yeah, you can see it. Hopefully it picks up on the camera. It's like down here, so there's not much in there. And this guy we got when we moved in. They gave us this little bottle, and I'm not a big fan of the fragranced laundry detergent on my clothes, so I will probably finish this off on some of the bathroom mats and the mat that I had down here that is that snowflake one that I threw in the washer. I'll probably throw those in the wash today and get those going. And yeah, so I have space when I walk in. It's not all crowded and bunched up. I may change this up at some point, but I can get to things and it's so much nicer. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and tell me what I should organize next. Do you guys like these organizing videos? Do they give you motivation? I sure hope so. I hope you guys have a great week, and until next time, bye.
It's almost like